Hey guys, welcome back to Nagendra Nayak Narratives. If you have been following me, you know that मैंने एक 30 days का डेली व्लॉग चैलेंज लिया था एंड इनफैक्ट उससे 2 व्लॉग्स ज़्यादा ही हो गए बट द गुड थिंग वाज द एंटायर मंथ वाज काइंड ऑफ इवेंटफुल तो I was fortunate to get a lot of contents without trying to create contents just to make sure that I upload some videos. So that was the whole intention कि मतलब however the day unfolds I am going to put it. I am not going to put an extra attempt कि मतलब vlog बना पाऊँ. So there it is. I am done with the 30 days vlog challenge. So I am here to ask for your opinion basically कि ठीक है. मैं पहले क्या करता था हर बार व्हाट्सएप मतलब हर बार वीडियो अपलोड करने के बाद आई यूज्ड टू सेंड links of the video on the WhatsApp for to a lot of people and शायद उस वजह से traction होता था. Even today I am still on 100 200 or maximum 300 views per videos, but the good thing is I am not sending it across on WhatsApp or any other means, so which is a good development. So the opinion that I want to ask you is, how did you like the whole 30 days wala segment so far, and would you encourage me to continue doing this या फिर I get back to my old mode of doing things कि मतलब हाँ आज यहाँ पे कुछ होने वाला है and basis that I will make the videos but not on a daily basis. So I think this video is just to seek your opinion. So I hope you have been liking the videos, or please do also follow my Facebook page and Instagram page. Nagendra Nayak Pangal is my Facebook page and Nagendra Nayak Narratives is my Instagram page. So please do follow me there as well. वागिशा काफी सारा कोलैबोरेशंस देती है तो मतलब अपार्ट फ्रॉम द वीडियोस दैट आई क्रिएट देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस दैट यू गेट दैट वागिशा क्रिएट्स एज वेल एंड वागिशा का अगर मतलब हाई क्वालिटी वाला वीडियोस चाहिए तो ऑल अबाउट एक्सेट्रा इज द पेज बोथ ऑन फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम. सो डू कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ अस ऑन दोस other platforms. So thank you so much for watching Nagendra Nayak Narratives. Please do continue watching, and for those who haven't subscribed, देखो subscription is something, and likes and comments, this is all about algorithms. So to keep the YouTube Baba happy, as the Think School says, please do give it a thought, and अगर मन करे तो like, share and subscribe कर देना, videos पे comment कर देना. It will definitely help me grow, and tata.